In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed TikTok videos into your Shopify store. This is a great way to showcase product videos or engage your audience directly on your product pages. So, let's get started. Firstly, navigate to the TikTok video you wish to embed. On the video itself, you'll see an Embed button, usually located near the sharing options. By clicking this button, a pop-up window will appear, revealing an embed code. This is a snippet of HTML that you'll need to integrate the video on your site. Make sure you copy this entire code, as it's essential for embedding. With the embed code safely copied, it's time to switch over to your Shopify admin panel. On the left-hand side of your Shopify dashboard, you'll notice a menu. From here, find and click on Products. This section houses all the products available in your store. You'll want to choose the specific product to which you're planning to add the TikTok video. Click on it to enter its editing page. Once you're on the product's editing page, focus on the description field. Here, you'll see an Add Video option. Clicking this will prompt a field asking for the embed code of the video you want to attach. Simply paste in the TikTok embed code you copied earlier. After pasting, hit Add Video to complete the action. With that, you've successfully embedded a TikTok video within your product description. Remember, the appearance of the video on your product page might differ depending on the Shopify theme you are using. Some themes may support video embeds seamlessly, while others might require a little tweaking. If you don't see the video or if it doesn't appear correctly, you might want to test it out with a different theme to ensure it displays properly. Sometimes, trying a few themes can help you find the best fit for video content on your site. And, well, there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can easily enrich your Shopify store with TikTok video content, potentially boosting engagement and providing a more dynamic shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching, and happy embedding.